In today's video, I'm going to show you some simple tricks that are going to make installing a bike tire a lot easier. A tire change always starts by removing all of the air from the tire. Now for the first trick, and that's to massage and push both sides of the tire towards the middle of the rim. This is going to make it a lot easier to install the lever and remove the tire. You still might find it a bit difficult to remove the tire even after this, and that's where my second trick comes in. You're going to take a tire lever and loop the hooked end around a spoke. Now take a second tire lever and push it like you did before, and you should find it much easier to remove the tire. With the old tire off, now we can begin installing the new tire. The next trick here is to slightly inflate the inner tube before installing the new tire. The reason you want to inflate the tube is it helps it seat into the rim correctly. With that little bit of shape you've given it, you can now push the tube and tuck it inside the rim. This is going to help prevent the tube from sliding out and pinching when you inflate the tire. Once your tube is fully tucked in, we can install the second half of the tire. Start at the valve and push the second part of the tire onto the rim. Push all the way around until you get to the opposite side, and you're going to notice that the final section is very difficult to install. At this point, you may be tempted to grab a tire lever and force the tire onto the rim, but don't do that. Instead, try using the side part of your finger. Position it under the bead of the tire and use that along with the remaining fingers to lift the tire onto the rim. If you still can't get the tire onto the rim, try using a tire bead jack. This tool gives you a lot of leverage to safely lift the stubborn tires onto the rim. I'm going to link below to it. With the tire fully installed, we have one last trick. The valve stem's often going to rattle loosely on the rim and make this really annoying noise, so tightening that valve retaining nut is going to help prevent it. If your tube doesn't have threads or you don't have a valve retaining nut, you can cut a small square of electrical tape, push it over the valve, and attach it to the rim. This is also going to work well. Here's one last trick. On very difficult to remove tires, you may find that your lever slips off the rim and you bang your hand and knuckles on the spoke. So as an extra safety measure, you can use this style of lever that has a guard for your fingers and helps you prevent cutting open your knuckles.